known as the Higher Education Modernization Act of 1997, and its implementing rules and regulations contained in the Commission on Higher Education Memorandum Circular No. 4, Series of 1997. PUP was established in 1904 as Manila Business School. In 1908, it was renamed as Philippine School of Commerce or PSC and merged with Philippine Normal School from 1936 to 1946. Through the virtue of Republic Act 778, PSC was renamed to Philippine College of Commerce or PCC in 1952. On April 1, 1978, PCC was converted into the Chartered State University, now known as the Polytechnic University of the Philippines, by virtue of Presidential Decree No. 1341, issued by the President of the Republic of the Philippines. For more than 100 years, PUP has been a partner of the government in providing quality, globally competitive, and industry-responsive education to bright, deserving students.
Pinakamura ang matrikula sa PUP.
Pinakamababang tuition sa buong bansa, 12 pesos kada unit.
With the lowest tuition for tertiary education, qualified faculty members, efficient administrative staff, goal-oriented leaders, and industry-responsive curricula that is at par with international standards, PUP has earned a reputation of one of the country's top higher education institutions. As an epistemic community, PUP is consistent with its commitment to produce quality graduates in various fields of specialization, working toward its goal of becoming the first national polytechnic university in the country. With 22 branches and campuses spread across Luzon, serving more than 70,000 students, the Polytechnic University of the Philippines offers more than 80 programs in the graduate and undergraduate levels. It also offers distance learning through the Open University system, technical and professional programs in the area of business and distributive arts, education in the social sciences related to the fields of commerce, business administration, and other polytechnic areas. The commitment of its leadership, faculty, staff, students, alumni, and partners has formed the cornerstone of this university that has exceeded expectations with every generation of the graduates it has produced since its establishment. Today, PUP has gone far from what it was more than a century ago, but what remains is PUP's mission to continue to be the government's partner in nation building and in poverty alleviation of the marginalized sector of society. With quality, responsive, and relevant education as a tool. PUP, the first polytechnic university.
Sa bayan, gagamitin ang bigay mong karunungan.
Mula sa'yo, tanglaw ng bayan, hinanday mo ang isip ng kabataan.
PUP ako, tagumpay ako.
Minahal ko ang maging Pilipino.
PUP ako, tagumpay ako.
Tulay ko ang layunin mong makatao.
PUP ako, tagumpay ako. PUP ako, tagumpay ako. Mula sa'yo, para sa bayan, gabay ang aral, diwa at hikang taglay. Mula sa'yo, tanglaw ng bayan, inarapila kasintang paaralan.
Tangal ng bayan.
sa dunong at sa yaman, karunungang mga tao, tagumpay ng Pilipino, sinisinta ang PUP, tagumpay ng bayan ko. Maliwas ng bukas, abot kamay ang pangarap, National Polytechnic University, katuparan ng pangarap. Scholar ng bayan, tuloy ang pagsulong, nagmamahal, naglilingkod sa Diyos natin at bayan.
Mula sa'yo, para sa bayan, tuloy ang aral, diwa at ikang taglay. Mula sa'yo, tanglaw ng bayan, dinatila kasintang paaralan.
PUP ako, tagumpay ako.
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 Tagumpay ako.
PUP ako, 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 tagumpay ako.
Dinalaman ko ang maging Pilipino. Taglay ko ang layunin mong makatao. PUP ako, tagumpay ako. PUP ako, tagumpay ako.
Tagumpay ako.
PUP ako, tagumpay. PUP ako, tagumpay ako.
PUP ako,
Isang magandang tanghali sa ating lahat, sa ating mga kais ko at kais ka dyan. Sige nga, pa-exercise nga natin ang ating vocal cords. Sige nga, padinig naman ang pinakamalakas nyong sigaw ng PUP ako, tagumpay ako. Sige, sige nga. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Pinakamalakas na ba yan? Parang walang energy. Gutom ba? Sa susunod kasi, kumain ng maaga, ha? Wala akong ipapakain sa inyo. So, ang advice ko lang, kumain ng maaga, di ba? Okay. So, welcome to the 2025 Career Fest Part 2. Ito na po yung pangalawang yugto ng ating Career Fest ngayong taon na to. Yung unang yugto ay ginawa nung Marso at itong pangalawang yugto ay ginawa natin ng October. Dapat po supposed to be it is September, but due to some unforeseen events, ay nag-move po tayo ng schedule. So, bago po ang lahat, maaari ko po bang anyanyahan ang bawat isa na tumayo para po sa ating National Anthem at Doxology.
Bayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
O Lord my God, when I in awesome wonder consider all the works thy hands have made, I see the stars, I hear the mighty thunder, thy power throughout the universe displayed. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Kailanman ikaw ang iibigin ko, kailanman ikaw ang sasambahin ko. Ikaw ang ating Diyos, walang iba kundi ikaw, aking Panginoon, sa kawalang hanggan. Kailanman ikaw ang pupurihin ko, kailanman itataas dakilang ngalan mo. Sa buhay ko ihahayag ang kapurihan mo. Kailanman, O Diyos, ako'y sa'yo. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Kailanman ikaw ang iibigin ko, kailanman itataas dakilang ngalan mo. Sa buhay ko ihahayag ang kapurihan mo. Kailanman, O Diyos, kailanman, O Diyos, kailanman, O Diyos, ako'y sa'yo. How great thou art, how great thou art.
Maaari na pong umupo. Okay, so I'm Professor Jane S. Pulma of the Alumni Relation and Career Development Office, and I will be your moderator for today's events. By the way, pangalawang araw na po ito ng ating Career Fest o ng Job Fair. So, gaya nga ng sinasabi ko, the Alumni Relation and sa ibang mga webinar pa na ginawa ng ARCDO, the Alumni Relation and Career Development Office provides services not just to the student but also to the alumni in the area of career development and placement. So as we sustain the link we sustain the link ng academe at ng industry or ng partners. So ngayon po, 'di ba, nung mga nakaraang araw, honestly, marami po tayong pinagdaanan na online, 'di ba? Bagyo, sa lindol sa iba't ibang parte ng Pilipinas. So, ito yung ngayon halos bumabalik pa lang tayo dun sa baka daw mamaya may dumating na big one, so nag-iingat ang Metro Manila. Kaya lang, hindi natin pwedeng pigilan ang paghahanap nyo ng OJT, at internship station. Hindi namin pwedeng pigilang ang pag-graduate nyo sa Politeknikong Universidad ng Pilipinas. At the same time, yung quest nyo para makahanap at mahanap ang passion nyo, not just for your life, but also sa trabaho. Okay? So, this event ay ginagawa namin para pagtagpuin ang industry at ang partners ni PUP at kayong mga estudyante or alumni. Dati po kasi nung mga time namin hindi ko nasasabihin kung anong edad ko. Wala kaming ginagawa kung hindi mag-print ng sangkatutak na resume, mamasahe. After naming mamasahe, magdadrop kami sa Dropbox ng aming mga resume NCB, tapos hihintayin namin ang tawagan kami. 'Di ba? Ganon kahirap nung time namin. Hindi po ngayon, hindi kagaya ngayon na nandito na sila at sila na mismo yung lumalapit sa inyo. Although sabihin na natin, dati pa naman yung ating mga local government unit ay may sari-sariling job fair kung saan pwede kayong mag-apply at makahanap ng trabaho. Pero ngayon, naging initiative. Hindi lang ngayon nung mga nakarang taon, naging initiative ng mga university and colleges na mag-conduct na rin ng job fair para at least mailapit namin ang mga estudyante sa employer. So, ang career fest or ang job fair ay ang pagtatagpo ng job seeker at ng industry partner, ng intern saka ng host training station. 'Di ba? Yung mga gagraduate na dyan, baka meron kayong hinahanap or naghahanap kayo ng potential or possible employment after graduation. At para naman sa mga hindi pa gagraduate, most of you ganun, 'di ba? Na naghahanap naman ng internship pagdating nyo ng second semester. So, ito na yung pagkakataon nyo ngayon. Meron tayong almost more than 30 plus industry partners and partners, both government and private, para po samahan kayo, para sagutin ang dinudulog nyong either hindi pagmamahal ang dinudulog nyong pangangailangan sa kanila. At siyempre, kayo naman, para din sagutin yung pangangailangan nila na binibigay niya sa inyo. So, without any further ado, para hindi naman tayo malungkot ngayon kasi mukhang antok na yung iba, pwede po bang tumayo po ang lahat at inaanyayahan ko po si Miss Emmy para mag-judge. By the way, meron po akong mga special merchandise dito galing syempre sa ating mga industry partner. 'Di ba? May dalawa po kaming mapipili para magkaroon po ng notebook and ballpen from Fresenius Medical Care and RG Manabat po. So, maaari po bang imbitahan ng lahat para po tumayo at sundin yung instruction sa harap? Gagawin nating masaya to. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Okay? Si Ma'am Emmy po ang magja-judge. Si Ma'am Emmy ay ang Chief ng Alumni Relations Services. Huy. Okay, saglit lang, di ba? Mukhang nag-uusap pa ang ating tech team. Kasi ang tech team po namin, isa sa taas at isa sa baba. So, hindi pa sila nagkakasundo kung nasaan yung video. So, habang hinihintay yan, sige, warm up muna tayo. Diba? Okay. So guys, you just have to follow. Meron po tayong pipiliin ni Ma'am Emmy na dalawa na syempre actively nasusundan yung ating nasa nakapost sa screen. Okay, pwede nyo na pong simulan.
둥글게 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 빙글빙글 돌아가며 춤을 춥시다. 생각을 치면서 노래를 부르며 랄라랄라 즐거우게 춤추자. 즐겁게 뛰어봅시다. 둥글게 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 빙글빙글 돌아가며 춤을 춥시다. 심장을 뛰면서 노래를 부르며 랄라랄라 즐겁게 춤추자. 둥글게 둥글게
Normal yan, ha?
빙글빙글 돌아가며 춤을 춥시다. 생각을 치면서 노래를 부르며 랄라랄라 즐겁게 춤추자. 즐겁게 뛰어봅시다. 둥글게 둥글게 빙글빙글 돌아가며 춤을 춥시다. 심장을 치면서 노래를 부르며 랄라랄라 즐겁게 춤추자.
1.25 speed. Sige nga, tingnan natin.
둥글게 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 빙글빙글 돌아가며 춤을 춥시다. 생각을 치면서 노래를 부르며 랄라랄라 즐겁게 춤추자. 즐겁게 뛰어봅시다. 둥글게 둥글게 빙글빙글 돌아가며 춤을 춥시다. 생각을 치면서 노래를 부르며 랄라랄라 즐겁게 춤추자.
Paano yan?
둥글게 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 빙글빙글 돌아가며 춤을 춥시다. 생각을 치면서 노래를 부르며 랄라랄라 즐겁게 춤추자. 즐겁게 뛰어봅시다. 둥글게 둥글게 빙글빙글 돌아가며 춤을 춥시다. 생각을 치면서 노래를 부르며 랄라랄라 즐겁게 춤추자.
2! Sige nga!
둥글게 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 빙글빙글 돌아가며 춤을 춥시다. 생각을 치면서 노래를 부르며 랄라랄라 즐겁게 춤추자. 즐겁게 뛰어봅시다. 둥글게 둥글게 빙글빙글 돌아가며 춤을 춥시다. 생각을 치면서 노래를 부르며 랄라랄라 즐겁게 춤추자.
Minememorize yun yung step, ha?
둥글게 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 빙글빙글 돌아가며 춤을 춥시다. 생각을 치면서 노래를 부르며 랄라랄라 즐겁게 춤추자. 즐겁게 뛰어봅시다. 둥글게 둥글게 빙글빙글 돌아가며 춤을 춥시다. 생각을 치면서 노래를 부르며 랄라랄라 즐겁게 춤추자.
2.5.
둥글게 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 빙글빙글 돌아가며 춤을 춥시다. 생각을 치면서 노래를 부르며 랄라랄라 즐겁게 춤추자. 즐겁게 뛰어봅시다. 둥글게 둥글게 빙글빙글 돌아가며 춤을 춥시다. 생각을 치면서 노래를 부르며 랄라랄라 즐겁게 춤추자.
Speed 3.
둥글게 둥글게 빙글빙글 돌아가며 춤을 춥시다. 생각을 치면서 노래를 부르며 랄라랄라 즐겁게 춤추자.
Tingnan natin kung may makasunod pa. Mukhang wala lang nakasunod. So, nag-team papatay. Ma'am Emmy, andito na po. Pwede mo po kunin yung dalawang grupo muna. Sige ma'am, dalawang grupo. tingnan natin kung sino sa kanila. 'Di ba? Ang saya nito. Okay. Lahat sila, by the way, dalawang grupo yon, tig-tatlo sila. So, meron tayong pampremyo para sa kanila. Okay, so, sige. Okay, follow nyo po uli yan. Kailangan niyang sumayaw ng sabay-sabay. Ayun o.
둥글게 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 빙글빙글 돌아가며 춤을 춥시다 손뼉을 치면서 노래를 부르며 랄라랄라 즐겁게 춤추자
Enjoy nyo lang, guys. Sino kayo makakapalo dyan ng mahusay? Di ba? Enjoy nyo lang, ha?
둥글게 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 빙글빙글 돌아가며 춤을 춥시다 손뼉을 치면서 노래를 부르며 랄라랄라 즐겁게 춤추자 둥글게
1.5. Hanggang 2 lang tayo. Huwag kayong mag-alala.
둥글게 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 빙글빙글 돌아가며 춤을 춥시다 손뼉을 치면서 노래를 부르며 랄라랄라 즐겁게 춤추자 즐겁게 뛰어봅시다 둥글게 둥글게 빙글빙글 돌아가며 춤을 춥시다 손뼉을 치면서 노래를 부르며 랄라랄라 즐겁게 춤추자
O, 1.5 na.
둥글게 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 빙글빙글 돌아가며 춤을 춥시다 손뼉을 치면서 노래를 부르며 랄라랄라 즐겁게 춤추자 즐겁게 뛰어봅시다 둥글게 둥글게 빙글빙글 돌아가며 춤을 춥시다 손뼉을 치면서 노래를 부르며 랄라랄라 즐겁게 춤추자
Oh, hanggang dyan lang tayo. So again, maraming salamat. At dahil dyan, akin na nga, anong mga pangalan nyo?
My name is Justin.
My name is Adia.
My name is Daniel po.
My name is Sam po.
My name is Ashley po.
My name is Raven.
Okay, dahilan dyan, andito po ang mga merch natin from RJ Manabat, KPMG, tapos Fresenius Medical Group, at syempre HSBC. O, tigigisa kayo. 6 kayo, di ba? Bahala kayo kung paano nyo hahatiin yan. Ito po. Sa inyo po lahat yan. So, pwede na kayong maupo, guys. So, at least, di ba, teaser pa lang yon. Mamaya po, pagkatapos sa mga industry partner, meron naman po akong special gift. May papagawa ako sa inyo, pero hindi na kayo sasayaw. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Galing naman po ito sa SAS Management. Isa pong exclusive merch nila, composed of payong, umbrella, tumbler, and a keychain. So, mamaya po siya. So, bago po ang lahat, ipakilala po natin ang ating industry partner. Magbibigay lang po sila ng konting introduction kung sino yung mga dadatnan yung mga company ngayon na nandito sa atin sa Career Fest. Pwede ko na po bang tawagan ang EYGDS.
Okay, so hi everyone, good afternoon. So I'm Yel from EY GDS, or Ernst & Young Global Delivery Services Philippines. And here with me is Precious and Frances, our senior managers from audit, to introduce EY to you guys. But first and foremost, syempre, tulungan din namin si Miss Jane. Gusto rin namin kayong bigyan ng a little something. So, yung mga dumadaan sa booth namin or nakadaan na sa booth namin kanina, hindi po namin binibenta to. So, actually, freebie po namin to for the, may ibang BS Accountancy students dito. Pati nga ng kamay niyo, pataas nga. BS Accountancy, okay. So, parang less than 10. So, meron kasi akong tanong sa BS Accountancy students. Okay, so, kung sinong makakasagot sa tanong na to, you'll get the EY desk lamp for free. Okay? So, one for BS Accountancy student, exclusive kasi from audit team, and then one from random course, to be fair. Okay, para lahat naman may chances. Okay? Pero for BSA, quick question lang. Sinong makakapag-explain sa amin who EY is? Sinong may idea? Paunahan lang. First one who raised his or her hand. Meron bang may idea who EY is? Going once? Yes, one brave soul. Sige po. Ayan. Palakpakan naman natin si Kuya. Okay. Anong pang name?
Simon.
Simon. Okay. Thanks, Simon. Sige. Any short idea lang.
Ang EY po is isa sa big four audit firms dito sa Philippines, and yung EY is, ang pagkakaalam ko, siya yung international na source ng SGV dito sa country.
Okay, ang galing. Ito po. Thank you. Okay, so thank you so much, Simon. So, Simon. So, kung ano man yan, thank you so much. And yes, actually, tama si Simon. EY stands for Ernst & Young Global Delivery Services Philippines, where the shared services of EY Global. EY is one of the big four accounting firms in the world. So, and tama rin siya, we have our local partner firm, which is SGV. Baka mas familiar kayo with them. But under one team kami, under one EY. So for EY, we are located in McKinley West in the GC Taguig. Though we're not just audit and tax alone. So we're now already we already have our technology consulting team. So we already have IT professionals. Even with our audit and tax, hindi lang naman as simple as BSA students or business-related courses. We even hire engineers and so on and so forth. Okay, and then another question. Non-BSA naman, to be fair. Who can guess how many years na we're celebrating this year here in the Philippines for EYGDS? Random number. Yung closest, yun yung bibigyan namin. Brave soul, three attempts. Meron po makaka-guess kung we're celebrating how many years right now? Sa bleachers? Yes po. Guess lang, random guess. 30? Okay, meron pa? 10. Okay, so meron nakakuha. 10. Sige, for you, can you come here po para mabigyan naman namin yung award. So we're celebrating this September 15, 2025. We're 10 years already here in the Philippines. That's for EYGDS alone. Okay, so there. So I'm part again of, sorry,
Trisha po.
Trisha. Thank you so much, Trisha. Okay, so, and without further ado, I'll be introducing you to our audit senior managers for you guys to learn more about who EY is.
Hello, good afternoon. So by the way, just to correct, I'm Precious Joy Hernandez, one of the audit managers sa ASEAN NFS sector ng EYGDS. And also, I'm proud to share that I'm a product of PUP way back 2017. No, so years ago, I was also one of you sitting there, and now I would like to share with you this organization, EYGDS Philippines. No, now when I first graduated, I immediately joined audit firm. But that was more than 5 years. And then when I joined EY,
GDS, I came to realize one thing, no, na while you are here in the Philippines, you can actually gain global exposure. So hindi mo na kailangan magpunta sa abroad para makakuha ka ng isang experience, audit experience with global standard, or hindi mo na kailangan magpunta sa abroad para makakuha ka ng global exposure, no? So here, our company, organization, EYGDS, can provide you with that global experience kahit nandito ka sa Philippines. So you will also have the offer of like flexible work environment, no? Flexible work setup. So at EY, we have like a hybrid setup. So meron kaming 2 days RTO and then 3 days work from home. And then aside from that, we have more than, ang isa kong proud, no, being a member of EY is the continuous learning that EY provides to us. And also, just to share, no, I'm also part-time faculty here at College of Accountancy and Finance. So I can see earlier, no, na may mga from BSA dito. So I'm also proud, part of part-time faculty of PUP, College of Accountancy and Finance under BSA program. So that's my way of giving back, no, dito sa dear alma mater ko sa PUP. So yeah, in case you're interested, no, with our opportunities that EY offer, you can always go dun sa booth namin at the back. So yun lang po.
Thank you, Precious. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Frances Ann Valerio. I'm a Senior Audit Manager from EYGDS Philippines. And I'm also a proud alumni of BS Accountancy here in PUP. So I'm in batch 2014 ako, so quite some time na, medyo 10 years na din. But I'm proud to say that I started my career in EY. So I've been with the firm for 10 years na din, kasabay ng anniversary. And I just wanted to share as well my career journey, yung opportunity na binigay ni EYGDS sa akin. So I started as an associate or staff, audit staff, and then right now, audit senior manager na ako. And ang pinakamagandang, I think, experience for me, as mentioned by Precious earlier, is the opportunity na makapag-work sa mga global clients. And ang maganda doon, hindi lang ako nakapag-work virtually with them. I also had the opportunity to work in our EY Singapore office for 6 months noong 2018 on my senior years. And then recently, I also had the opportunity to work in our EY United States office, Los Angeles office for 2 years, 2022 to 2024 as an audit manager. And kakabalik ko lang last year. And ang maganda doon is hindi naputol yung career or track ko sa EY. Since it's a EY global firm, hindi naputol yung affiliation ko sa EYGDS. And yun yung gusto ko din is sabi nga, building a better working world. Pag nakita nyo dun sa banner natin, dun sa may booth namin. And totoo yun na you also had the opportunity na makapag-work sa iba't ibang culture at makita rin yung mga working styles nila. So if you're interested, na doon lang kami sa aming booth, feel free to drop by. At ayun, close yung booth namin dun sa may women's restroom. Ayun lang, salamat.
Thank you. Thanks so much, Precious and Frances. Okay. So actually, one of our talent acquisitions there, Maggie, is also, say hi to them. Ayan. This is from PUP din, but BS Psychology, right? Yeah. Tama, ayan. So, yun. So that's, yeah, so I hope you're inspired by their career journey. So, as for me, though I'm not part of PUP, but as part of EY, I've been with EY for, I think, 3.5 years now. And I always share this personal experience because for me, this is also my way to give back naman to EY. So, okay. So, what I always share with the students, kasi for some, since it will be your first job, syempre, initially, ang titignan talaga natin dyan yung starting salary. Tama ba? Starting salary, di ba? Sometimes we overlook din yung mga other benefits that we might have. Like what they told us, merong twice a week hybrid setup. So you can have like your 3 days kung gusto nyo sa beach or kung saan man, di ba? But still, you need to work, of course. And then, another thing that I've shared, because I'm already a mom of 3 wonderful daughters and a breadwinner din sa family. So I actually was diagnosed with stage 3 breast cancer 2 years ago. So, and then with EY kasi we have a prolonged sick leave, one of our benefits. So I was able to finish my operation, as you can see, radiation, chemotherapy. I was out for 6 months, but I was able to get my salary in full with the help of EY. So for me, very big part to sa life ko na I want to share with everyone. Always make sure na I share it. Kasi for some out there are some people out there that what matters din kasi is them being, let's say, the breadwinner, or meron siblings sa pinag-aaral, or young moms, young dads out there. Na for EY, for me to give back with EY kasi they really take care of their employees like what happened to me. So right now, hindi na ako kalbo, may buhok na ako, and I'm back with EY. It's my day 2 here in PUP, so kaya ko na. So don't worry, I'm all good with doctor's clearance and everything. And hindi rin naputol yung journey ko with EY. So right now, I'm already back and healthy and cancer-free, hopefully, continuously. And with the help of EY kasi, thank you so much. Siyempre, with a mom of 3, siyempre nag-aaral sila and breadwinner ako. So with that help, 6 months, I was able to complete everything and gain complete salary with that certain benefit. Talagang malaking bagay. So with that, siyempre, sana hindi nyo naman maklaim yun, no? Knock tayo on wood. But besides that, we also have our HMO, day 1, with actually maximum 4. 2 is free and then 2 will be shouldered by you already, but a maximum of 4 dependents. We also have our, syempre, Christmas, 30th month pay will always be there naman by law, but we also have our Christmas bonus on top of that. Monetary din yun. We also have our variable pay bonus every August. So, and of course, the continuous learning that Precious and Francis is telling you about. Anyone here who's familiar with Coursera, Udemy? Meron bang familiar? Yes, thank you. Okay, for some, I think they pay for that. I haven't had the chance to pay for it because it's always free for us. Whatever course you want within Udemy, Coursera, and even Go Fluent. Yung mga mahilig sa mga K-drama dyan, OPA, or Japanese, or whatever second language you want to learn, still free. So that's another way. And besides that, kung sino dito who's interested to have a tech MBA or MBA with sustainability, we also are partnered with one of the triple accredited Hult University, again for free, if you're an EY employee. For those then who will take, let's say, the licensure exam for business accountancy, we also have our study leaves. We have cash incentives for those who will pass the licensure exam. Syempre, as long as you're an employee of EY. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. So we have a lot of incentives pa. So if you have time, please drop by our booth. And thank you so much for listening. And I hope to see you later. Thanks, everyone.
Okay, so maraming salamat, EYGDS. So, andito naman po ang second industry partner na nandito po rin ngayon, ang ating exhibitor, Equicom Savings Bank.
Thank you, Ma'am Jane. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Miss Kay from Equicom Savings Bank. So I've been in the company for the past 2 years, and it's been a really great opportunity as a recruitment manager. So who here is interested to be working in the industry, in the banking industry? So syempre may mga courses tayo dito. I think yesterday we witnessed, we saw mga financial management students, accounting, yan, who are interested to work in the banking industry. So Equicom Savings Bank is located in Makati City. So I'm not sure if you are interested to work in Makati City, but of course, we also have different branches since we are in the in the banking industry, no? So we've been in the industry for the past 17 years. We just turned our 17th year just last September 2029. Yeah. So for the ones graduating and yung nga maghanap ng internship, so we're open for OJTs and internship and also for employment. Okay. We're not only hiring for accounting. Syempre, pag sinabing banking industry, ayan, financial management, accounting, or similar courses. But also, we have different job vacancies for IT, HR, different divisions, no? We also have internal auditing as well. And at the same time, we have in the bank operation. So we're looking for credit investigators, credit analysts, or credit admin. And also, since some of you are also graduating soon, again, we're open to fresh graduates. Kahit walang experience, you are welcome to apply. Okay? So we have available flyers in our booth, so please drop by. And we also have a QR code which you can scan your CV and send through email. So it's easier for us to review your CVs. So paano ba ang step ng hiring process namin sa Equicom Savings Bank? Okay. So since it's a medium fast-pacing industry, so we try to prioritize your application right away because some of the opportunities that we have in the bank are, syempre, alam natin na urgent ang hiring, diba? So we try to make sure to minimize the long-term application time. Okay? So once we see that you're fit for a specific job, then we do call you if you're interested to apply in this position. Of course, we dedicate our time to discuss to you what are the different opportunities that you'll be interested in. So for example, if you are a BS Accountancy major or graduating soon, and you're open to working on-site, apparently we are on a Monday to Friday on-site work, though we also have flexible working schedules. So if you're open also to working from home, you are amenable to actually work from home. Yan. We are not in a hybrid setup compared to other partners that we have here, but of course, we also are lenient in terms of working from home. Yan. So our office is, again, in Makati City. It's from Monday to Friday. 8:30 to 5:30 is our work schedule. Yan. So, paano ba ang application process namin? Of course, from reviewing CVs and resumes, you can also apply through JobStreet. We have open vacancies there for fresh graduates too. Even yung mga may experience na sa industry or experience have working experience rather, no? Once we see that you're fit, we call you for an interview. We do a one-day hiring process. So we invite all applicants to come in on-site for an interview, and then we try to make sure to endorse you to the final interview within that specific day. So we are saving time. At the same time, we make sure that we save time and energy as well, no? Kasi mahirap din yung to travel every day. And I know that a lot here has probably experienced being interviewed or had the mock interview already online. So, you know, it's very easy as well to do online interviews. We have Zoom, of course. We have Google Teams. I'm sure all of you guys are familiar with that, no? We also do prioritize also online interviews. So there, if you get the job on that one-day hiring, of course, we have the opportunity to get hired on the spot as well on that one-day hiring process. Okay. What are our benefits in the company? We're very particular, of course, with our benefits. It's very competitive in the market. We also have gratuity pay and retirement benefits, you know. But of course, during your time and being employed with Equicom Savings Bank, you also have the opportunity to be engaged not only with work, but also we have different engagement from training and learning. We have our e-learning online. So you get to also enjoy not just working, but also learning outside of your comfort zone or your expertise. Okay. Okay. So again, you can visit our website, equicomsavingsbank.com.ph. You can learn about us more. Tapos, you can also visit our booth. I have with me with my staff, Zarel Manalo. She will be also helping you out. And again, happy to see you hopefully in Equicom Savings Bank, and happy job hunting. Okay, thank you.
Okay, so maraming salamat. Ang dalawa na lang po tayo. So, we make it quick para at least makaikot na kayo. So, our next industry partner, PAS Logistics. Papalakpakan naman po.
So, hey on, good afternoon everyone. So, I would like to introduce myself first po. So, I am Trix. You can call me Trix. I am part of PAS Logistics for about 2 years, and I'm part of the talent acquisition team or in the HR industry or department po. So I would like to introduce as well our company. So if you're not really familiar with PAS Logistics, so PAS Logistics is a part of course, the logistic industry, but more on supply chain. So if you're familiar with supply chain, it is the like giving or transporting goods from raw materials to its consumer, or yung pinaka-gumagamit na ng product. So all throughout that, the transportations, we have an air freight, inland, cross-dock, Roro. So for the sea naman, no, meron din tayo on that. So our home office is located at Alabang, Muntinlupa, but we also have different sites here around Pasig, Parañaque, Navotas, Quezon City. And if you are located near north or south, or you know someone from north or south, we also have different warehouses or sites on that area. So for north po, we have different warehouses or office in Bulacan and Pampanga. And then for south naman po, more on Cabuyao, Calamba, and Batangas area po. So, ayun, I'm gonna talk about for the benefits na lang din, no, para medyo mabilis. So, for PAS Logistics po, for PAS Logistics po pala, we've been in the industry for about 50 plus years na po. So, we are one of the leading companies in supply chain or for the logistic industry here in the Philippines. So, we have different clients. So, mga blue chip or known clients din naman natin sila in the food industry. We also have in gas or oil, transportation. So, iba-iba siya. So, in FAS, we have different mode of transportation that we are using here. So, sorry, wala lang kaming nadalang mga pamigay since yung mga gamit namin or merch po namin is nadala namin sa Vismin or Visayas Mindanao area last month, since nanggaling po yung team namin doon for our project, or we have projects po kasi in Project Provinciano. So, kinikater po namin doon yung mga provinces na hindi po talaga nakikater ng mga, or mababa yung employment rate po nila. So, pinapadala namin sila dito sa NCR or dito po around Luzon para magkaroon po sila ng work. So on that naman, we gave them perks or parang mga tulong in terms of their lodging, meals and such before sila makapag-adapt here dito po sa May Luzon. So for other naman po na mga benefits po, no? So we are more on insurances. So meron po kaming group life insurance, group personal accident insurance, and group medical insurance. So for group medical insurance po, it's more like the HMO na tinatawag po ng other mga partners po natin, no? And then from other than that, we also have different allowances and then incentives. But the incentives depends on the department you are been into or you are into na po. So, ayun lang po for PAS Logistics. Our booth po is located at the front right po ng pinaka-donation po natin. So, ayun again, thank you so much po.
Okay, para naman sa last industry natin, tapos makakapaglibot na kayo. Okay, so let's welcome China Banking Corporation. Ayan, magandang hapon, PUP yan. So, I'm gonna introduce myself first. I am Janica, and I am part of the Talent Acquisition and Placement Division of China Bank PH. So, I am also PUP Taguig alumna, batch 2023 lang. And I am now a HR assistant of the recruitment team, but I am also
transitioning now to be a recruitment specialist. So, brief introduction lang tayo sa China Bank. China Bank is now 105 years old, so it was founded 1920. And if you are looking for a company with competitive benefits up to 16th month of bonuses, visit our booth so that we can talk about your future. And if you are also looking for stability and career progression, we can also offer you certain positions, and we are very open for fresh grads. Yun. So I started my journey here in China Bank, and I plan to stay long here because the environment and the opportunities that they offer is very competitive. So yun lang, para mabilis lang tayo, follow our LinkedIn page and go to our booth. We can offer freebies. Yan. Thank you so much.
Okay, so maraming salamat, China Banking, Equicom, EYGDS. So marami pa tayong industry partner na nandito ngayon. At syempre, hindi lang opportunities yung dala-dala nila para sa inyo. Meron silang konting pa-merks na pwedeng magpaalala sa kanila na mag-apply kayo. So, again, ito na po, pwede na po tayong tumayo para sa ating PUP-HIM at pwede na po kayong maglibot sa ating mga partners na nandito ngayon. By the way, yung mga eligible po dyan, civil service eligibles, nandyan po ang SSS na naghahandog ng trabaho sa mga government eligibles na or gustong magtrabaho sa gobyerno. Again, maraming salamat po. I'm Professor Jane S. Pulma of the Alumni Relation and Career Development Office. So, sige na po at ito na po ang ating PUP-HIM. Pwede na po kayong pumunta habang nagpi-PUP-HIM tayo.
Ang ikot taglay, PUP, aming kamay.